Meghalaya's most popular festival, the Shad Suk Mynsiem or Dance of the Peaceful Heart, came to a close today, the 11th of April 2022. All through the 3-day celebration, 1,196 male and female dancers had participated in the festival. Assistant General Secretary of the Seng Khasi Sengme, Payabi Sunrem, had enlightened media persons on the Shad Suk Mynsiem or the Thanksgiving dance of the Khasi tribe.
Seng Khasi is very happy that this year it could organize this Shad Suk Mynsiem in a very big way. Also, all of you might have been aware that in 2020 we could not organize this Thanksgiving dance as it was being affected by the COVID-19. So the next year, that is in 2021, we could organize in a very small way. However, this year we are very happy that the government, the state government, has allowed us to organize this in a very grand way. We would like to express our thanks and gratitude to the state government for giving us a permission to organize this Thanksgiving dance. This Thanksgiving dance is we express our gratitude to God Almighty for the abundant blessing that He has given to us. At the same time, we seek His blessing in the days and years to come. The number of dancers on the first day is around 200. Yesterday, the second day, around 400 plus, and we are expecting thousands of dancers today, which is a final day.